How to understand any Arabic word without using a translation tool.
This can be challenging, but here are 4 hacks that can help you with that. Let's get started. Context clues. Look at the word, the sentence around the unfamiliar word. Usually the context can give you hints about the word's meaning. Words bars. Break down the word into its roots, suffix and prefix. Many Arabic words are made up of common parts that can help you to guess the meaning. Synonyms and antonyms. Synonym and antonyms can help you to understand the meaning of the word. Pictures and examples. Use resources like Google Images or YouTube to give you pictures and examples that can show you the meaning of the word. Remember, it's okay not to understand every word. Sometimes getting the general meaning of the context is enough. As you keep learning, you will naturally expand your vocabulary. Ma salama.